many of you don't understand Creole, so we'll try to do justice to all of you. Hare Krishna. So we're going to have lots of kirtan. So please, we have two different kirtan we're going to sing. So the boards are there in front of you. Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna, Jai Vrindavan. तो इसको हम लोग कहते हैं व्रत भजन. जो भजन करते हैं. तो आज का जो टॉपिक है वो कृष्ण कथा. And we're going to start with the preliminaries. How to listen to Krishna Katha and what is the reason behind. हमको क्यों कृष्ण कथा सुनना चाहिए? आप लोगों को पता है? कृष्ण कथा क्यों सुननी चाहिए? छोटी सी प्रश्न है. किफे डूब जाए कुछ कृष्ण कथा. बोलिए बोलिए. आप लोगों का बोलने का समय हो गया. Why should we listen to Krishna Katha? Purification. Yeah, for purification. और शुद्धि, आत्मा शुद्धि के लिए. हाँ, और कुछ है? सिर्फ आत्मा शुद्धि के लिए या और कुछ है? ज्ञान. हाँ, ठीक है. और to get closer to him. Yes, भगवान जी के समीप में आने का लिए ज्यादा. और to pave your spiritual path. Yes. और I'm looking for a specific word. I'm not getting it. भगवान जी का स्वरूप क्या है? भगवान जी का स्वरूप जो है, उनका जो विग्रह है, सच्चिदानंद विग्रह. तो भगवान जी के जितने भी चीज है, उनका नाम रूप गुण लीला, सब में आनंद ही आनंद है. तो आनंद के लिए भी हमको भगवान जी की कथा सुनना चाहिए. और यदि आप लोग आनंदमय रहेंगे तो आपका जीवन आनंद में ही आगे बढ़ने वाला है. हरे कृष्ण. जय गुरु श्री गोपाल की धन्यवाद. तो शुरू करते हैं. जय राधा माधव. जय राधा In the context of Purushottam Mas, कितने दिन बाकी हैं पुरुषोत्तम मास पूर्ण होने में? We have 5 more days. How many of you have been attending lectures every day? शाम को हाथ उठाइए. Those who have been coming. Almost every day. सब Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. आप सब लोग भाग्यशाली हैं. You are all so fortunate for attending these lectures. क्योंकि सबको नहीं मिलता है कृष्ण कथा. कृष्ण कथा सबको नहीं मिलता है. We are talking about कृष्ण कथा ऐसे. किनको कृष्ण कथा मिलती है? किनको कृष्ण कथा मिलती है, प्राप्त होती है? किनको? जो भाग्यशाली. भाग्यशाली कौन है? ब्रह्मा ब्रह्मिते कौन? भाग्यवान जीव गुरु कृष्ण प्रसाद पाए भक्ति लता बीज. So those who are fortunate are those who have the mercy of the spiritual master Guru and also the kripa of भगवान श्री कृष्ण. तो श्रीमद् भागवतम में श्री व्यासदेव लिखते हैं, जहाँ पर सुखदेव गोस्वामी परीक्षित महाराज जी को सुना रहे हैं कि कथा सुनने का एक नियम रहता है. हमने पूछा था कथा क्यों सुननी चाहिए, अलग अलग उसका उत्तर हो सकता है. You can have so many different answers because this is a kind of treatment. It's a kind of treatment. Just like if you are not keeping well, यदि हम लोग बीमार हैं तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? डॉक्टर के यहाँ जाते हैं, अस्पताल जाते हैं. तो वहाँ पे जो बीमारी हुई है, whatever kind of disease you are suffering from, you are being diagnosed and you are being given the proper appropriate prescription. So even Krishna Katha, or Krishna Lila, when you are eager to hear Krishna Katha, there is truth and kind of eagerness, kind of enthusiasm. भक्ति में ऐसे कुछ चीजें होते हैं जो होनी चाहिए. There are supposed to be some qualities, some requirements, starting with Shraddha. You need to have faith. भक्ति करने में यदि हम लोग में श्रद्धा नहीं है, if you don't have faith, then you're not going to go ahead. You won't be able to go ahead. So it starts with Shraddha. After Shraddha, we have Sadhu Sang. We are all sitting and having satsang, sadhu sang. Sadhu sanga sarva shastra kahe, lava matra sadhu sanga sarva siddhi ho. So the importance of sadhu sang. So first is faith, then second is sadhu sang. After that is bhajan kriya. We start doing our bhajan. जो व्रज भजन है, जपमाला करना, भगवान जी, भजन का मतलब क्या है? Even listening, ये भी कीर्तन है. श्रवण करना, ये भी भजन है. ये भी भजन, सुनना, कथा सुनना. श्रवण कीर्तन, स्मरण, वंदन, पाद सेवन, दासरे, पूजन, सखीजन, आत्मनिवेदन, गोविंद दास विलास. The nine types of bhakti. How we are supposed to be. And after that, when you start doing bhajan kriya, you start listening, श्रवण शुरू करते हैं, कृष्ण कथा सुनने में हमारा रुचि बढ़ता है, तो क्या होता है? अनर्थ निवृत्ति. अब ये जो शब्द है, यहाँ पे हमारा जो गाड़ी है ना, आज का इधर अटकने वाला है. Because we are going to have 2 days of Krishna katha, today and tomorrow. So inviting you tomorrow also, please join us tomorrow evening. So today is only part 1. It's not just coming and listening to the, I should say, stories. It's not listening to stories. No. We have to, if you want to benefit, इसका पूर्ण लाभ यदि आपको प्राप्त होना है, तो हमको समझना चाहिए कि ये लीला क्यों सुनना है मेरे को. ये लीला सुनने से क्या लाभ होने वाला है मेरे भक्ति जीवन में. तो जब हम लोग ये शब्द बोले अनर्थ निवृत्ति, तो अनर्थ में चलो अ निकाल देते हैं कि जितने भी शब्द हम लोग अ डालते हैं उसका मतलब है उसका उल्टा है, उसका विलोम है, मींस ऑपोजिट. So if you take earth, what is the meaning of earth? If you just do a translation of earth, इस चीज का अर्थ क्या है? ये क्या है? इसका अर्थ क्या है? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of that? उसका अर्थ क्या है? इसका definition क्या है? What is the meaning? अब अनर्थ कहते हैं तो इसका मतलब क्या है? अर्थ का मतलब है meaning, and अनर्थ means something which doesn't have any meaning, something which doesn't have any significance in our devotional life. You understanding? So we have to get rid of all these anartha, things that don't have any definition, which don't have any meaning. Do you get them in your life? आपके जीवन में किसी चीज का उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है, तो आपको जीवन में रखते हैं? No, क्या करते हैं? उसको हम लोग त्याग देते हैं. चलो डिलीट करो, निकालो. तो कृष्ण कथा सुनने से हमारे में जितने अनर्थ हैं भगवान जी सब डिलीट कर देते हैं. Then only you are going to go to the next step. So I'm not going to talk about the next step. We have 9 different steps. Not sopan कहते हैं. 9 different steps in bhakti. So today we are going to concentrate on this 4th one. Means starting to 4. Starting from, we told you, आदो श्रद्धा तथा साधु संग. उसके बाद क्या है? भजन क्रिया, and then अनंत निवृत्ति. So we have to get rid of all these misgivings. जो भी चीज है जो हमको हमारे भक्ति जीवन में कोई भी उसका कोई जगह नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay? That's why we have so many rules and regulations. And we told you some important ingredients. Apart from faith, you need to have उत्साह. उत्साह से भक्ति करनी चाहिए. What does it mean, उत्साह? Enthusiasm. You need to have enthusiasm. Imagine I'm sitting here and giving some katha and kind of, I'm talking such a tone that you're feeling sleepy. That Prabhu, what a challenge. No, both sides, we have to show that kind of enthusiasm. You're eager, kind of, I'm here, I'm eager too. Whatever we have, the blessing of spiritual master Guru Maharaj Srila Prabhupada, whatever we have tried to learn all these days, we're going to put in front of you with lots of enthusiasm. And you have to listen with enthusiasm. These are the basic qualities. Okay? So, Utsahan Nishchaya Dharyat. Nishchay. Full confidence that Krishna is going to protect us. He's going to take care of us. And Dharyat, you should have lots of Dharya, means patience. You have to be very patient. Bhakti is like that. Tat karma pravartana. You have to follow the different rules and regulations. Karma pravartana. What are the rules and regulations? Remember, you have 4 rules and regulations. Can anyone just mention them fast? First, no meat eating, no illicit sex, no intoxication, no gambling. Why we talk about these 4? ये करने से पहले हम लोग इंसान बनते हैं, हम लोग मनुष्य बनते हैं, हम लोग मानव बनते हैं. दानव से हम लोग मानव बनते हैं. From demons we become human beings. We start getting those divine qualities. वो चाहिए हमारे लिए. तब उसके बाद क्या लिखा है? संग त्यागा सतो वृद्धि. संग को त्यागना चाहिए. कौन सा संग? कुसंग. You should start getting, try to dissociate from worldly people. This is going to help you. Otherwise, those people who are not interested in Krishna consciousness, जिनको भक्ति नहीं चाहिए, आपको तो just going to बोलते ना ताने मारेंगे. They'll keep on telling, hey, you're wasting your time. क्या सीखा छोड़ है, बाल उड़ा दिया है, तिलक लगाया है, क्या यार? Enjoy your life. Come on, man. You're so young. Keshav Guru. Go to the pub, man. Why are you wasting your time here? So this is the association of worldly people. So you have to, as far as possible, Tyago. That's why Srila Prabhupada say, come and associate with devotees. This is our ABCD. We don't require X, Y, Z. ABCD is enough. Starting with association of devotees. So once you start associating with devotees, means this is your sadhu-san, then you start getting away. So Sangha Tyaga, Sato Vritte. Sato Vritte means you start following the path that our previous acharyas, they have followed this specific path. You're just going to follow them. Don't get too much in this. Nowadays there's a kind of saying for the new generation. Hey, come on, you have to trace your own path, man. Come on, be original. सब झूठ रट मार के बता रहे, झूठ बता रहे. सब लोग वही करते हैं. Everyone is just following. Everyone is just copying. Starting from the BSc, MSc, and PhD. सब लोग copy paste master है. Ask me, I know what I'm telling you. When I do the correction of so many dissertations, major projects in universities, I see what's happening there. It's just cut and paste. So which means you will have to follow a certain path. So which path do you have to follow? Sato Vritte. You have to follow the path of our previous acharya. And they also they have followed the path of their spiritual masters. By following this path, only you'll be able to, you should say, go back home, back to God. नहीं तो भटक जाओगे. Yes or no? If you want to follow your own path, where will you go? You're in the forest. You're lost in the forest. You want to get out of that forest. How do you get out? You just walk wherever you want. You trace your own path. No, you try to look for some path which is there traced by, Adivasis, tribal people. They know the path. So you just try to get that and follow and get out of that forest. So similarly, we have to follow the path followed by our previous spiritual masters. Mahendra Prabhu, आप हैं नहीं तो सो रहे हो. सकाटी भी बाई रातू जुम्पू के सो रहे हैं. हरे कृष्णा. चलिए तो आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Let's take the mercy of Shri Radha Krishna. And in which mood we are going to sing this kirtan, Radha Krishna Pranamo Jugal Kishore. So we have the copy there. So आप लोग थोड़ा सा follow कर सकते हैं. We are going to take it. I'm going to lower the notes so that others can follow. Maybe it's a bit too high note for you. You want? Radha Krishna Pranamo Jugal Kishore. Boli. Radha Krishna Pranamo
Radha Krishna